Hey, what's up everyone? So today I wanted to talk to you about the top 5 must-haves for international travel. So these are things that you can really get that are not that expensive, but will definitely make your traveling so much easier. So the first thing is a passport case that is RFID. I went ahead and got the Herschel Supply one because I really like the looks of it. I also like how substantial it is, the materials that it's made out of. It's got plenty of room for the passport as well as your other identification, credit cards, cash. You can kind of keep it all in one place. Definitely want to keep this secure, but I really think that this is a must-have because it is RFID blocking. You don't have to worry about your credit cards getting skimmed, which is a huge plus. Next thing is an outlet converter. So this is basically how you're going to be able to charge your cell phone, use your electronics while in other countries. I went ahead and got the Septics one because it has fantastic reviews and it is really functional. So it's all in one piece, but you basically take it apart to fit whichever country you're visiting. And so it's got a little guide with it too that tells you, so this one's for like European countries, this one's for Asian countries, this one's for like whatever you're visiting, in one really tiny compact object. Next thing you're gonna wanna get is a luggage lock. I got this one because it's small, it's compact, and it also has a little tiny keyhole down on the bottom for TSA to where they can actually put their key into it and unlock it if need be. So it's really simple device, but I think it's one that you're definitely gonna wanna get to keep your things secure. Next thing is a no roaming SIM card. So basically what no roaming does is you can buy the SIM card or you can buy the SIM card sticker. I got the SIM card, so I manually have to take mine out of my phone, my unlocked phone, and put this one in. But when I visit other countries, this allows me to use cellular service as well as internet service for a really good price. The card itself is really cheap. They just kind of want you to get that card, and then the service is even really reasonable. So I highly recommend checking it out. I'll put a link in the description for all this stuff, but this is something you're going to want to look into if you want to use your phone while traveling internationally. The last thing, but definitely not the least thing on this list, is a toiletries travel kit. So you can get these a lot of different places. You can even order them online for a really fair, reasonable price. You get the travel sizes of shampoo, shaving cream, deodorant, those types of things that are TSA compliant, so you don't have to worry about that. And mine also came with a plastic bag, which I was kind of wondering why it came with a plastic bag, but that's because you actually put your stuff in a quart-sized plastic bag to make it easier to get through TSA through the actual checks at the airports. So these are really handy. You don't have to go out and search for each individual item. They put them together in sort of a most used type items travel kit, and this one just worked out perfectly for me, but there's a ton of different ones, and I'm gonna put a link in the description to them as well. All of this stuff you can get through the links in the description, but I really think these are must-haves if you're traveling internationally, and even if you're traveling within your own country, because they just make things so much easier. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys later.